Hey there, y'all. It's Miss Campbell. I'm going to go through here and just kind of show you guys a few things for the project. I've just been looking over what's been turned in, and I want to give you guys some reminders. So first thing, I'm just going to do like an example here. Let's say I'm going to do my slide for inscribed angle. Okay, over here, I can do my definition. Please make sure that you write out the whole word. Okay, no abbreviations. This is a formal document. Okay, so definition, it would be the angle formed by two secants, okay, crossing a circle. That can be like a sample definition. All right, so the angle formed by two secants crossing a circle, the vertex of the angle is on the circumference. All right, and then we can put a picture here. So y'all, to get pictures and stuff, go to your assignments and whatnot. So right here, you can look at, this is today's assignment. Right here, look at that. I can use this picture for number 13, and to get a picture there's all the computers have this. It's called the snipping tool or snip and sketch. So either the snipping tool or the snip and sketch, either one. Okay, and then you say new, and then you can just, there you go. And then Control C to copy it, or you can use the little copy button there. And then go here and Control V to paste. And then you'll want to move it, resize it as needed. There we go. And then you can add on a little text box. Okay, so insert. We can do text box. And we'll draw it right there. It will let us. Okay. So drawing it, we'll resize it. And then we will say inscribed angle and I'll put it here. And then we can do shapes and get an arrow. I'm going to point to it. So right there. Okay, look at that. And then you can even make your arrow darker or like more bold. Just change the weight. Okay, so there we go. There's our definition and our picture demonstrating it. Now, guess what? We can use this same picture and we can use that to do our problem. So you need to make sure that you type out the actual problem you're asking, not just show me the work. Find the measure of angle B. Okay, and then we can copy and paste it. Over here. Okay, and then now we have to show our work, right? So to show your work. Okay, what you can do here is if you are working on the actual PowerPoint program, not the online one, okay, but if you're working on the actual PowerPoint program, you can do insert, and then you put an equation here. You want to click on the pi, okay, and then there's a whole bunch of tools that are going to pop up there. So for this one, well, I don't really need much of an equation here really to do this one. I would say, okay, well, to find angle B, I have to first find A, right? Okay, so we can do 360 minus 128 minus 134 equals, okay, and then that's A. So 360 minus 128 minus 134, that's 98, okay, and then we can make this box a little bit bigger so it flows nicely, okay, and then the next one, so A equals 98. And then B, would be equal to 1/2 times A. So B equals, so now I'm not even using the equation editor anymore. If you don't have the equation editor, you have to use the online version of PowerPoint, you can just type it out like this, okay? B would be 1/2 times 98, okay? And so do 98 times 0.5 or 1/2, right? And you get 49. So B is 49. All right, y'all. So look at that. Inscribed angle, the definition, a picture of it. Guys, go to your assignments, okay? Go to the assignments, get the pictures. Go to the assignments, get the problem. Make sure you write out what the question, like what question you're actually asking, and then go through and type the work or write it. If you are using the full version of PowerPoint, I'm not sure on the online one, but on the full version, you can even draw, okay? You can get a pen and you can use, like if you have a stylus, you can use it, or if you're really careful with your mouse, you know, you can draw. It might take you a little bit, so I wouldn't do that. But like again, I was saying, if you are using the full version, use this equation editor. Okay, it's really easy. A lot of people are having trouble finding theta, the symbol theta. So what you can do, get my equation again. So insert, click on the pi, and it brings that up there. And if you need a fraction, you just click on this fraction here. This first one's the one you're going to use most. If you need an exponent, you can use this one right here. So like for r squared or something like that. And then now to find like theta or different things like that that you might need, go up here. So what I did was I clicked this bottom drop down, and then here, basic math, I'm going to go to Greek letters, and theta is right there. So theta, T-H-E-T-A, theta. And you can insert that. All right, if I want it to be a fraction, I just go here, and then if I want the top, I just type in the top there. And then I want the bottom, we can type in the bottom. All right, so please, you know, there are tools for you to use. Make sure that you are not just copying and pasting from Google, okay, because number one, copyright. Number two, you know, you need to actually show the work. And I've noticed that a lot of people are not showing their work. So please make sure that you are, you know, you can use the problems and pictures from our assignments. They're all there, from the notes, etc. Okay, and make sure that you show your own work on them, please. So if y'all have any questions, I need for you to reach out to me. I have been trying to go through and leave feedback on your assignments. And this is for Ms. Campbell. I've been trying to go through and leave feedback on your assignment that you turned in, the check. So please make sure that you see what I've said and then address anything that I've mentioned for you there. Like I said, I'm working on getting it. I haven't gotten to everybody yet. I'm trying to get through as quickly as I can, but it's due Friday. And I want y'all to be successful. So if we're turning in, like this is a bare minimum example, okay? Also, like I would decorate this slide more. If you are not getting this minimum stuff done, then you're not gonna get a 100. This should be the easiest 100 that we do. So please, please, please go through, make sure that your work and all of this matches and whatnot, okay? So if you have any questions, just reach out to your teacher. See you guys later.